Hello everyone. Today we're going to create a program that will automate the opening and closing of our trash bin's lid by using an ultrasonic sensor that will enable the trash bin's lid to open and close whenever it detected an object. Let's dive into programming using AMS Studio of Avishkar. First, we'll start by adding the My Program block to kick off our script. Next, we'll add an infinite loop to keep our robot working non-stop. Now, we need to check if the ultrasonic sensor detects an object. For that, we'll use the if-then-else block. We'll use the AND logical operator to set the detection range. First, we'll check if the object is more than 0 cm away for the minimum range, and less than 10 cm away for the maximum range. This way, the sensor will only activate when something is between 1 and 9 centimeters away. Now let's program what our robot will do when the condition is met. First, we'll add a 1 second delay so the lid won't open immediately after detecting an object. Then, we'll command the motor to open the lid for 1.2 seconds. The motor will pause for 3 seconds, giving the user time to throw their trash. After that, the lid will close and the motor will stop after 0.8 seconds. We'll also add a 1 second delay so the robot doesn't detect another object too soon. If no object is detected within the 1 cm to 9 cm range, the motor will remain still. Our program is now complete. Let's try uploading it to our automated trash bin and test it.